Material folding preforming part. According to material thickness, throw these two screws to adjust the distance between two pressing rollers. The distance should be proper. If too wide, the preforming effect will not be good. If too close, the material cannot go through smoothly. Folding size adjustment. Adjusting the sheet metal plate on both sides to center position so as to adjust the folding width and 3 folding layers homogenization. If material thickness is different, operator can use the shim to adjust the height and the distance of 3 sheet metal plate.